In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply algebraic expression. To do that, the rules is that you multiply numbers with numbers and you multiply letters with the same letter. And then the rule of indices, it says that xm multiplied by xn is equal to xm plus n. In other words, for example, x to the power 4 times x to the power 3, you add the power x4 plus 3, and the answer is x7. Without much further ado, let's look at some example. Okay, the first one looks like this, okay? 7 multiplied by 2x. As I said before, you multiply numbers with numbers, so you take 7, multiply by 2 first, so you're going to get 14. And x on its own, there's no x's, so just put 14x. Next example, 3a multiplied by 4b. Again, you multiply numbers with numbers. So 3 multiplied by 4, you will get 12. And a on its own, put a, and b on its own, so that would be. So that is how you multiply algebraic expression. Okay, now next one. X squared multiplied by x4. As I said before, in the rule of indices, you're going to add the power. So x, you add the two powers, 2 plus 4, and the answer x to the power of 6. And last but not least, we have 2a cubed multiplied by 3a4. So what you do, you take 2 multiplied by 3, will give you 6. And then a cubed times a4 is a7, because 3 plus 4 give you 7. So that is how you multiply algebraic expression. Now we'll do more challenging question, and it looks like this. Okay, how are the examples? So the first example is 2xy multiplied by xy squared multiplied by 2xz. So again, the first step you do, you multiply number. There's no number here, is 1. So 2 times 1 times 2, you're going to get 4. And then you count the x. That's 1x, 2x's, and 3x's. So x to the power of 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 to give you 3x's. Okay? And y, you count 1. There's 1 there. 1 plus 2 is 3. And there's power 3 again. And z on its own, so it's going to be 4x cubed, y cubed, z. Example 2. You have a negative 2 multiplied by 6. So negative 2 multiplied by 6 will give you 12. And then x cubed times x4 is going to be x7. And then y on its own, so let's y. Okay, now we look at example 3 and 4. Minus 4a squared b multiplied by negative 2ab5. So what you do again, you multiply the numbers with numbers. Negative 2 times negative 4 is going to give you positive 8. A squared times a is going to be a cubed. B times b5 is b to the power of 6. And last but not least, we're going to do the hardest of the lot. So you have numbers. So 2 times 3 is going to give you 6. X squared, x5. So 2 plus 2 plus 5 give you x9. Y squared. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is going to be y4. And z1 plus 2 will give you z3. So that is how you multiply algebraic expression. Hope you have learned something today, and see you in the next one.